Hello, Greenhaven Organics community. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best advice and insights on sustainable living and organic gardening. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our updates. Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of roses with a special focus on rose propagation secrets. Let's jump right in. Roses are universally cherished, and learning to propagate them can be a delightful experience. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned gardener, these tips will guide you in successfully propagating your favorite varieties. First tip: timing and selecting the right stem. The optimal period for taking rose cuttings is during late spring or early summer when the plant is in its growth phase. Choose a robust, non-flowering stem about 6 to 8 inches long with at least 4 leaf sets. With clean, sharp shears, cut just below a leaf node, which is the point where new roots will sprout. Second tip: apply rooting hormone. Although roses can root naturally, using a rooting hormone can greatly enhance the likelihood of success. Dip the freshly cut end into the rooting hormone powder, shaking off any excess. Third tip: planting your cutting. Prepare a pot with a well-draining mixture, ideally half perlite and half peat moss. Plant the cutting about 2 inches deep, making sure the first set of leaves remains above the soil surface. Fourth tip: maintain humidity. Cover the cutting with a plastic bag to keep the moisture in, which is vital for root formation. Place the pot in a spot with warm, indirect sunlight and keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful to avoid waterlogging. In a few weeks, you should notice new growth, indicating that roots are forming. After about 8 to 10 weeks, when the roots are robust, your new rose plant is ready to be moved to your garden. And there you have it, your guide to successful rose propagation. Remember, patience and attentive care are crucial. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your gardening friends, and drop a comment below with your own rose propagation tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to keep up with all our gardening advice here at Greenhaven Organics. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!